Raindrops tapping on the roof so light, every drop a whisper in the night. In my sleep I hear the rhythm play, melodies of dreams that drift away. Puddles forming on the asphalt gray, dreams are dancing in the rain's ballet. Every trickle tells a secret song, lonely nights where I feel I belong. Listen to the rain when I sleep, dreams in rivers running deep. Every drop a note so sweet, in my slumber hearts do meet. Clouds above in sky so dark and wide, raindrops fall like stars from up high. In my slumber they weave tales so pure, stories of the night obscure. Thunder rolls like an old bass drum, in my dreams the beats become raindrops tapping gently on my soul. In my sleep I'm feeling whole. Listen to the